Fun fact, today we are celebrating 11 years of Shebang. I'm so glad to host you all.
So come, let's see what goes behind creating a Shebang. So Aditi, what's Shebang's way of working?
So we don't believe in cubicles. As you can see, we sit together, collaborate and support each other. Also, we have a flat hierarchical system. So the way we sit also reflects the way we work. Hi Prateek.
Hello, hi.
Okay, so if someone wants to build a career in SEO, where should they begin?
I think you should start with looking at courses on Google, the advanced digital marketing courses. So this is very important for us. So we should start with taking the basic courses of SEO on Google. You can also use YouTube to look at courses which are advanced. You can follow people like Matt Digity. You can also follow people like Amit Tiwari from India if you want Hindi courses for SEO.
That's interesting. Now quickly, let's play a rapid fire round. If traffic drops after a core update, what's your first reaction? Panic or audit?
I would panic for the first 5 seconds, but then I'll focus on my audit immediately. That's going to be extremely important for the brand to sustain for longer time.
On-page SEO or off-page SEO?
My favorite would be on-page, but to sustain rankings for longer term, I think off-page would be the right way.
If AI search keeps growing, what changes most for brands?
I think if AI search keeps growing, the most important part would be for the brands to show up on all the LLMs and also on the AI overviews.
One SEO tool you can't survive a day without?
I would I can't survive without Ahrefs. I use it every day, day in, day out. So I would prefer everyone to start using Ahrefs.
Short-term wins or long-term dominance?
Long-term dominance, always.
If SEO had a personality, would it be marathon runner or a chess player?
I would say stamina like a marathon or a brain like chess player.
That was quick. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And while the SEO team is busy getting brands discovered on search, looks like someone here is creating content already. Let's go and meet our solutions team.
Hi, the Ad Doctor team.
What does the Shebang Solutions team do?
I think as a solutions person, we are someone who acts as a strategic partner for our client, and we bridge a gap between our internal creative team and our clients' roles and responsibilities and their goals. We are someone who actually highlights what's good for the brand, what can be done better, and how can we make their work more exciting and more fun. And we are someone who spots trends even before it starts trending.
Okay, so if your solutions team is constantly spotting trends, shouldn't we put that expertise to the test?
Oh, why not?
Of course, creativity is important, but our bigger focus has always been about building campaigns that drive tangible and impactful results for the brand, as we believe in becoming complete growth partners for them. And while we are talking about impact, I have someone that you guys should definitely meet. Let's go. Hi, Amber.
Hi, Aditi.
Can you please tell them about all the incredible things you guys do at Greater Good Foundation?
Surely. So, through its Greater Good Foundation, Shebang focuses on strengthening foundational literacy and numeracy in Mumbai for the underserved community. Apart from that, we also run a teacher training program for the teachers in slum-based schools in Mumbai that assists over 130 plus teachers in Mumbai itself. Apart from that, we also do similar programs on strengthening foundational literacy and numeracy in Turtuk Valley School. Apart from that, we support the meritorious students through RSR Murthy Scholarship. Also, in the rural district of Palghar, we support children on strengthening their co-learning outcomes. In this way, Aditi, we have been able to support over 600 students in their foundational literacy and numeracy.
Wow, that's so amazing. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Aditi.
Okay, so tell me this. What's one myth people usually have about this agency?
So, most people think that agencies are just late nights and chaotic brainstorming sessions. But I think that our bigger part of the culture comes from the flexible timings, a fixed work from home day, a flat hierarchical system, and a leadership that is always open for ideas and suggestions. Also, when I think of internal culture, Shebang Unwind is a must. Guys, now we are meeting the most fun team at Shebang, which is Shebang Fluence. Guys, say hi!
What makes an influencer collaboration succeed?
Honestly, the way we do things over here at Shebang Fluence is slightly different than most other agencies. So typically you would see like a very copy and paste approach, but over here we do a very strategy first approach, which is highly data backed and very research first. So I think the success of an influencer campaign for us would strongly be, the objectives that we set out to meet and the strategy that we planned out accordingly. Meeting those objectives at the end of the campaign is success for us, because that's what tells us that the research we did, the data we had, the strategy that we made, it all worked out as it was supposed to. So yeah, that's what success looks like for us.
And tell them about our Indriya campaign.
Oh yeah. So Indriya was a premium jewelry brand launch that we did in a very cluttered category in India. A big business house like Aditya Birla Group launching their own jewelry line is a big thing, and we were the ones handling the influencer marketing mandate for the company. In a couple of months from brand launch, we'd achieved 500k plus followers on Instagram, 1 million plus followers on Facebook, 4x engagement compared to all of their competitors, and we've been continuing to work with them, scaling their campaigns, delivering success and optimistic results quarter on quarter. That's how we do campaigns here at Shebang Fluence. So let's go.
Britannia और Fevicol का नाम तो सुना ही होगा ना? So let's meet the creative team, the great minds behind the campaigns and the ad films. Guys, hi.
Hi.
Can you share an example where your strategy completely changed the outcome of a campaign?
ओके सो द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल इज हम जब महाकुंभ चल रहा था तो गुड डे के लिए काम कर रहे थे. सो वी आर कवरिंग 144 स्टोरीज एंड हाउ स्ट्रैटेजी प्लेज अ रोल. Sitting on a desk, you just can't define a strategy. You have to go on ground. You have to cover that. So हमने वो महाकुंभ में किया. We just went on ground. We discussed with the people over there कि उनका महाकुंभ में आने का ये क्या है, मोटिव क्या था, या फिर उनकी जो ऑर्गेनिक स्टोरीज थी वो हमने कवर की. देन केम द स्ट्रैटेजी पार्ट वेयर वी स्टार्टेड. हम उसको डिसेमिनेट कैसे कर सकते हैं, थ्रू इन्फ्लुएंसर्स कर सकते हैं, या फिर कह सकते हो कि सोशल मीडिया के जरिए और लोगों को हम कैसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस वे अ स्ट्रैटेजी काइंड ऑफ वर्क्स फॉर अस.
If a brand were to send Shebang a brief, what would an ideal brief look like?
Well, one, what are we trying to achieve? What is the problem? Two is who are we speaking to? Which is your audience? And third would be what is the one single takeaway you want the people to have from this campaign?
What about the budget?
And the budget clarifications, and give us a little bit of creative freedom, guys.
या ऑल्सो क्लाइंट हमें बोल सकता है कि हम कितना क्रेजी जा सकते हैं.
Yeah. Where is the HR team? Oh, I can spot Rashi. Come. Hi, Rashi.
Hello.
What's one key to getting hired in Shebang?
You need to be self-confident, you need to have the right skills, and you need to know about Shebang. By the way, we're also hiring at Shebang across our offices across the city. So if you're interested, please apply to our career page and be a part of Shebang. Thank you.
Let's talk to the man who started creating a Shebang. Let's go. Hi HK, they want to ask some questions to you.
Hi, doctor.
What's one decision that changed Shebang's trajectory?
Wow, one decision that changed our trajectory. I think when we decided to be the whole shebang, rather than look at just one service, we said that we'll be able to stitch together the whole shebang, whether it's the creative, the martech, the tech, the media, and really build a whole solution for customers. I think that really helped us. It made sure that we started focusing on trying to have excellence across all of these domains. One thing that we are very proud of is that we win awards in creative, we win awards in tech, we win awards in martech, in SEO, in media. So we have best-in-class teams across all of these services, and now the orchestration is starting to happen across clients. So that's, I think, what is our differentiator, the whole shebang.
If someone watches this and wants to work with you, what should they know?
They should know that we are trying very hard every day to improve ourselves. You know, what we're trying to be is a work culture which is a mix of real professional excellence and fun. So we're really trying to bring the two together, where learning is kind of ingrained as part of everything that we do. we are kind of, what we used to be seen as a young, fun workplace. We're kind of growing up now. I mean, we're kind of entering an age of professionalism, professional excellence, skill, real delivery of outcomes. Really, that's what we're trying to put together. So, if you want to kind of build your career here and make the work that will make you and that will define your career, that's what we're looking for.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now I am passing the mic to someone who is the most active member of this office.